भाई वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं. And there's this balcony. Wow. And we are going to hire a KTM or some bullet, and we are going to, I think, Solangali or Rohtang Pass. Let's see. So we are at one vihar at Manali. This is, I think, new Manali. And we are going to Hidimba Temple. And
after that we are going to Mall Road for shopping.
yep, Mall Road. So we are heading to one cafe at Manali, which is called Cafe 1947. Let's see. Yo niggas. Wow. This is chicken supreme, eh?
ये chicken supreme.
Yeah. Chicken supreme. This is
chicken figure. Chicken figure.
see. Chai plus bun maska. Perfect night at Manali. So it's another day in Manali, and we are heading to one waterfall called Jogini waterfall. There's Ralph and me, and we might go to Dharamshala again for one shoot. Actually, we are shooting for one company, so there are basically two groups. One group is with us now, and one group we will be visiting today at Dharamshala. So let's see. So we are on the way to Jogini Falls, and this is a short trail or highway, whatever you can say. And I got this apple from the one of the trees, and there are apples, a lot of apples. Seventh day of my tour, as I am touring with YOLO campus and making them a promotional video. I'm here with Ralph, and we are shooting for over 7 days non-stop and more. I think, yeah, it's 12 September, more 10 days to go. Whew. We'll be going to Kasol, then Kheer Ganga trek, and then we are shooting some lanterns today at Manali itself. I hope I will get a great shot of the lanterns in the sky. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. view is like heaven, and I got some pretty amazing shots today. Unhealthy pit stops like this. More half an hour to go. Another 20 minutes. This is the best green apple that I have ever had. Just bought it from a tree. Plucked it. This is the Jogini waterfall. Woo!